Type your text. Pick a text color. Go to Type. Create outlines. Press Alt and drag your text to duplicate it. Swap the fill and stroke. And adjust the stroke weight to around 10. Go to Effect, 3D and Materials. 3D, Extrude and Bevel. You can keep the settings like this, all we do is increase the depth to your liking. Select the other text. Go to Effect, 3D and Materials. 3D, Extrude and Bevel. This time lower the depth to 0. Place the text behind the hollow text. Select both texts if you want to resize or move it. If you want, you can expand the appearance. You can use the Direct Selection tool to select the front of the text. You can then give the front of the text a lighter shade. And that's how you create this 3D text. Check the link in the description for more Illustrator text effects.